Hey everybody, it's Dave Mattis with Remax of Reading and the Dave Mattis team, and I'm here today with my October 21 Berks County real estate market update for you. Love giving you these reports here, so we're getting towards the end of the year, so we'll have a big recap early January, but for now we'll just keep on rolling with the year-to-date stats. So again, end of October, days on the market was an astounding 19 versus 41 this time last year. Sold, we were actually well ahead of last year. We've sold 4,672 homes this year versus 4,294. So again, that's up a little bit. Keep in mind, we did lose 2 months last year of marketing time due to quarantine. Listed year to date, we finally surpassed last year's number, 5,256 versus 5,189. Currently listed, 494 versus 466. So that's up a little bit. And what we're looking at there, might be just a little bit of a stabilizing of the market. You could call it a cooling. It doesn't mean, that homes still aren't selling for asking price or more, multiple offers on properties, but, there is just a little bit of breathing room. And where I'm seeing this mostly is in listings that I have, maybe that might be a little higher priced than they should be. They're getting activity, but they're not getting bombarded with showings or bombarded with offers. So that's something you want to keep a close eye on. Current pendings, this number seems to be trending down a little bit, which might make sense because we're in November and heading into December, a little bit, quieter time in real estate, although we do our best to keep busy. Current pending 767, last month was 785, and the 2 months prior to that were in the mid to upper 800s. So again, just a little bit of a declining trend there. We all have received a raise in our equity because average sales price here in Berks County is $240,184 versus $209,376. So that's a 15% increase over last year. That's really, really awesome. That's held steady pretty much throughout the whole year. Original sales price versus final sales price. So this is the ratio of what all houses in Berks County that have sold in the last 10 months have sold for versus their original asking price. And believe it or not, it's 100.9%. So on average, homes are selling for 101% of their asking price. Pretty amazing. And again, of course, many are selling for over, some are selling for under or slightly under. But that just speaks to how good the market is. So 1.1 month worth of inventory, which is just downright, dreadful, making everybody's life a little tougher. But again, hoping we're coming into a spot here where we'll have a little bit of a cooling and buyers will have just a tiny little bit more breathing room as far as making offers on properties. So some of the trivia that I like to give you here: lowest sales price, $6,000, and the next one above that is $9,000, and then the highest is going to hold steady for the rest of the year. I'm sure it's $1,775,000. And then I also dug in a little bit deeper and saw that we have now in Berks County sold 10 homes this year over $1 million. So pretty impressive. It would be really cool to know when, if we've ever even come close to that in the past. But again, I think it speaks to how, rocking the market is. So if you want information on your house, your neighborhood, an investment property that regarding stats or average sales price and all that good stuff, or a market analysis, please just let me know. We love having these conversations with you, and we are here for you if you have any questions about real estate whatsoever. Thank you so much.